Mini mirrorless cameras have revolutionized photography by delivering serious image quality in compact packages at prices that won't destroy your budget. These pocket-sized powerhouses prove you don't need massive DSLRs or flagship mirrorless bodies to capture stunning photos and video. The used camera market in 2025 offers incredible opportunities to snag discontinued models that were flagship performers just years ago at bargain prices. Whether you're a beginner seeking your first interchangeable lens camera or an enthusiast wanting a compact backup, these 5 mini mirrorless cameras deliver exceptional value. From advanced autofocus to 4K video and gorgeous image quality, these cameras prove that small size and low price don't mean compromising on capability. Number 5. Olympus OMD EM10. The Olympus OMD EM10 brings micro four thirds versatility and retro styling together, creating an affordable entry into interchangeable lens photography. This compact camera features a 16-megapixel micro four thirds sensor, delivering excellent image quality with good low-light performance for its class. The built-in 3-axis image stabilization compensates for camera shake, enabling handheld shooting at slower shutter speeds without tripod. Electronic viewfinder provides eye-level shooting in bright sunlight when the rear LCD becomes difficult to see, adding professional shooting experience. Tilting touchscreen LCD allows creative shooting angles including overhead and low perspectives without awkward body positioning constantly. The extensive lens selection in micro four thirds mount provides options from ultra-wide to super telephoto at affordable prices. Built-in Wi-Fi enables wireless image transfer to smartphones for instant social media sharing without computer transfers required. Art filters and creative modes provide fun experimentation for beginners learning photography while exploring different creative styles. The compact metal body feels solid and premium despite the budget pricing on the used market currently. 8 frames per second burst shooting captures action reasonably well, though autofocus speed trails modern cameras during fast movement. The micro four thirds sensor provides smaller physical size, enabling more compact lenses compared to APS-C or full-frame systems. Battery life reaches approximately 320 shots per charge, adequate for day shooting, though spare batteries recommended for extended sessions. Number 4. Nikon 1V3. The Nikon 1V3 delivers blazing fast performance and advanced features in ultra-compact package at bargain prices on used market. This speed demon features a 18.4-megapixel 1-inch sensor, providing good image quality with excellent high ISO performance for sensor size. The hybrid autofocus system with 171 focus points covers nearly the entire frame, tracking subjects accurately during fast action. Insane 20 frames per second continuous shooting with full autofocus captures sports and wildlife that slower cameras miss completely. 4K video, recording at 15 FPS or 1080p at 60 FPS, provides impressive video capabilities for a camera from this era. The electronic viewfinder with 2.36 million dots provides clear detailed preview, though it's optional accessory rather than built-in, unfortunately. Tilting touchscreen LCD allows flexible shooting angles and intuitive touch-to-focus operation, simplifying composition and focus selection quickly. The ultra-compact body weighs just 324 grams, making it genuinely pocketable with pancake lens attached for travel photography. However, the smaller 1-inch sensor provides less background blur and shallower depth of field compared to larger APS-C competitors. The discontinued Nikon 1 system means limited lens selection and no future development, though existing lenses remain available used. This V3 excels at action photography, making it perfect for parents shooting kids' sports or wildlife enthusiasts on budgets. The bargain pricing on used market makes this incredible value for the speed and features delivered, despite discontinued system. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix GX850. The Panasonic Lumix GX850 combines ultra-compact size with excellent image quality, creating the ultimate portable mirrorless camera under $250. This tiny powerhouse features a 16-megapixel micro four thirds sensor delivering image quality rivaling much larger cameras in favorable conditions. The 180-degree tilting touchscreen enables perfect selfie framing and vlogging setups, making this popular among content creators on budgets. 4K photo mode extracts 8-megapixel stills from 4K video at 30 FPS, ensuring you never miss decisive moments during action. Built-in Wi-Fi with Panasonic's excellent app enables remote control, wireless image transfer, and instant social media sharing from anywhere. Post-focus feature captures images at multiple focus distances, allowing focus selection after shooting when composition proves tricky initially. The ultra-compact body is genuinely pocketable with pancake lens, making this perfect travel companion fitting in jacket pockets easily. Beauty retouch mode and creative filters provide fun features for casual photographers and social media enthusiasts wanting stylized images. The Micro Four Thirds lens ecosystem provides extensive affordable options from ultra-wide to telephoto covering every photographic need. However, the lack of viewfinder means bright sunlight shooting relies entirely on rear LCD, which becomes difficult viewing. Battery life reaches approximately 290 shots per charge, though USB charging adds convenience enabling power bank charging during travel. The GX850 represents incredible value for size and features, perfect for travelers and content creators prioritizing portability over everything. Number 2. Canon EOS M100. The Canon EOS M100 delivers excellent image quality and Canon's legendary color science in compact package at unbeatable used prices. This capable camera features a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, providing gorgeous image quality with excellent dynamic range and color reproduction. The dual-pixel autofocus system provides fast, accurate focusing, rivaling DSLRs during both photo and video shooting constantly. Tilting touchscreen enables intuitive touch-to-focus operation and creative shooting angles, making this accessible for beginners learning photography fundamentals. Built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth provide seamless connectivity with smartphones for wireless image transfer and remote camera control. Full HD 1080p video at 60 FPS delivers smooth, high-quality footage perfect for casual videography and vlogging applications. Canon's extensive lens ecosystem, including affordable EF-M lenses and EF adapter access, provides incredible versatility for growing photographers. The compact, lightweight body weighs just 302 grams, making it genuinely portable without feeling like toy or compromise in hand. However, the lack of electronic viewfinder limits shooting in bright sunlight when rear LCD visibility becomes problematic, unfortunately. 6 frames per second burst shooting handles. Moderate action, though faster subjects challenge the autofocus tracking system occasionally. Battery life reaches approximately 295 shots per charge, adequate for casual shooting, though spare battery recommended for full days. The used market pricing makes this incredible value for anyone wanting Canon quality without spending flagship money on bodies. Number 1. Sony Alpha A6000. The Sony Alpha A6000 absolutely dominates as the ultimate mini mirrorless camera, combining serious performance with unbeatable value pricing. This legendary camera features a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering outstanding image quality rivaling cameras, costing significantly more money. The hybrid autofocus system with 179 phase detection points and 25 contrast detection points provides lightning-fast, accurate focusing performance. 11 frames per second continuous shooting with continuous autofocus captures fast action that slower cameras miss during decisive moments. Electronic viewfinder with 1.44 million dots provides clear preview, enabling shooting in bright sunlight when LCDs become useless. Tilting LCD screen allows flexible shooting angles for creative perspectives without requiring awkward body contortions during composition. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC enable wireless image transfer to smartphones and remote camera control through Sony's Play Memories app. Full HD 1080p video at 60 FPS delivers smooth footage, though lack of 4K dates this camera compared to newer models. The compact body with excellent ergonomics and physical controls provides satisfying shooting experience despite small size throughout sessions. Sony's E-mount lens ecosystem includes extensive options from affordable primes to professional zooms, covering every photographic need imaginable. Battery life reaches approximately 360 shots per charge, among the best in this category, though spare batteries remain recommended. The used market pricing makes this insane value, with cameras selling under $250 regularly, despite capabilities rivaling much newer models.